Hi everyone. Again, my name is Kurt Harris and I'm an attorney and I'm licensed to practice law in the states of Nevada and Utah. Today I wanted to give you a little general information about paternity actions and how a paternity action may affect a father in a potential case. Paternity actions are brought about as a result of two individuals who have conceived a child or a child has been born who is out of wedlock, where the parties were not married. Paternity actions are quite common. Paternity actions generally need to be brought by fathers because generally the mothers have the child and a paternity is established by way of the doctor who was there at the time of birth, who is able to put the mother's name on the birth certificate. That doctor is able to identify the mother quite easily by way of observation generally. However, fathers are not generally known until DNA proves that out or until some other acknowledgement of paternity begins. So what happens when you find out that you are the father in a situation where you are not married to the mother of your child? We do a lot of specialization in father's rights, and what needs to happen is the father needs to commence an action for paternity. In Nevada, it's known as a petition for paternity. We are asking the court to identify us as the father of a child who has been born. That can be done by a variety of methods, what we will discuss now. First and foremost, a petition needs to be filed with the court. With that petition, a summons will be issued, and the mother of the child needs to be personally served by an individual over the age of 18 who is competent. Generally, we use a process server to go out and serve that paperwork on the mother. At that time, the mother has 21 days to respond to the petition. That petition requests that a paternity be established by way of DNA or other means. The other means that can be done is that the mother may acknowledge the fact that you are the father and she has not had any other relations with any other individual and can sign an acknowledgement. The court can rely upon mom's acknowledgement and establish paternity and issue a court order indicating that the father is indeed the legal father of that child. The other way to do it is by way of DNA. Essentially, you will be referred over to a third-party service who will take a swab from the inside of your mouth. The blood tests are old and outdated. We don't do that any longer, but they will take a swab of saliva out of your mouth and out of the mouth of the child, and they're able to establish paternity to a very high degree of certainty. Once DNA has been established pursuant to 99.99%, then the court will order that you are the father of that child. And thereafter, you will have all the rights and obligations that are associated with being a parent here in the state of Nevada or in the state of Utah. It is very important that you initiate a paternity action as soon as possible, as soon as you find out, because you can have negative ramifications by waiting. There is no benefit to waiting on this process, and we encourage everyone who believes that they are the father of a child or has been informed that by the mother to initiate a complaint for paternity as soon as possible or petition for paternity. Once again, thank you for your time, and I'll look forward to speaking with you on other topics in the future. Thank you.